text to image generation. Hey everybody, Cokkinos here. So I logged on to my Adobe Express beta account through my FIT credentials, and here we are in the splash screen interface. Let me give you a quick tour here. Here's how to start any kind of new project. You can upload stuff in there and have your project files, the last things you worked on. Certainly explore some of the new templates that are there. You can actually schedule social media posts here. So you have a kind of management system, and there's also tutorials to learn all the features in there. So let's go back to the main interface. I want to show you guys today just a basic thing here in AI, and that is text to image generation. So you can see there's a whole bunch of samples here that other users have done, and they're posted. And I want to talk a little bit about prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is this idea of, just like I'm speaking to you now, how I'm engineering my speech and making it clear. Just think about a basic sentence structure. You don't want to do something that is too abstract or a run-on or a confusing thing. There's this concept in computing called GIGO, G-I-G-O, garbage in, garbage out. So if you don't tell the AI engine something clear and concise, you might not get the results you're looking for. Let's walk through a couple of quick descriptions here. I'm just going to type in the word dog first, and let's generate that. And this is so much faster than a lot of other programs. It's really great. It does a great job in kind of scouring through. And I don't know why it's giving me a cat, right? So it's a little strange, but typically you're going to get some other suggestions here that you can work with. So if I like this one better, I can start with that. And then I continue to refine it now. So I can say something like dog. It's always good to have not only a subject, but also some type of verb, like an action that the dog is doing. So let's try reading, dog reading. We just regenerate that by hitting enter, and here we go. Dog is now reading, right? So how else can I be more descriptive? Let's try something like a location. So let's say dog reading on a train. Okay, so now the regeneration will take us to dog reading on a train. So let's say we don't want a book, we want a newspaper. So dog reading a newspaper. And now we've got that. And again, we're going to get a couple of different variations on that image. It's still scouring and kind of formulating for us, but I might want to go with something like this. Okay, so you can certainly play around with this. There's even a load more thing where you can really start to generate exactly what you're looking for. I want you guys to do a product shot. So let's say we pick a product like headphones. Again, I'm going to start just with my subject. Okay, so there we go. And let's see what other variations we're going to get. I want to go with something like that, but you can see it's just a kind of bland background, looks like a shot on a floor or something like that. So let's try something like product photography. Watch how this enhances. Okay, so now we have something that looks a little bit more like a professional kind of photograph that a studio photograph. You can certainly pick some variations here. And then you can add other descriptive elements for this aesthetics. So let's try vaporware. Okay, so then I can say things a little more descriptive here. So like, let's say something like headphones on a smiling dog. Let's correct the spelling because that also would be garbage in. And let's re-render this guy. What I want you to do is to do a product shot. Pick any product you want and make sure that you think about these descriptors. The subject, the object, what it's kind of doing, if it's involved with a person, the aesthetics and the style, the background that you want, the location. Find more information in Blackboard on the assignment description.